Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? Today, I'm gonna go over the walking and application. That is part of the junior penetration path on Tryhackme. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this. Just don't mind me. I just got this, and I thought it was cool to wear it. But if it's bothering y'all, just let me know. I'll take it off. Let's go ahead and start the machine. Oh, pretty much I'm gonna go walk you guys through this, but um whenever we have like a lot of readings, I'll just let you guys read this because I'm not gonna go over this word to word and read it. You know what I'm saying? Just so it would make sense. So from this room we actually use we're gonna be using the built-in features of the web browsers like Safari, Chrome, or Firefox, and we will not be using Wireshark, Nmap, or other tools or automated tools to do our inspections or penetration testing. So this probably gonna take a minute or two to load the machine. Make sure you have um, your Kali machine is connected with the your Kali machine is connected with the VPN. I'm losing my words. And once it's loaded, boom, we have our IP address. Let's go ahead and copy that just in case. The first question is just deploy the virtual machine. We have already have done so, so we go ahead and explore the website. Exploring the website as a penetration tester, you would like to discover the features that could potentially be vulnerable and attempt to exploit those um, features. So these features are usually part of the website. So you just got to go through that website and just explore every single item on the website. So let's go ahead and do that. Actually, let's go ahead and go to the website. And once it loads up, we have our ICME IT support. You can go to home, to the news. We have like three links to be discovered. And then the last one, we have this premium page blocker right here that is not allowing us to look what's behind this wall right here. What else? We have the contact. We have user input with where users can put their information. We have the customer login. We have sign up here. We can have reset password. So let's go ahead and answer the first question. Actually, there's no question. You just gotta go read through it. So viewing the pay source. I'm not gonna go into word to word read this, but just make sure you guys read this. Viewing the page source it just helps you understand how the page or how the website is written, what language they use, if they leave any comments, by the developer or the programmer, if they leave any comments, and what framework they use. Everything most of the time is in the pay source, and to get the pay source you just gotta go to right click. Let's go ahead into home. You just right click on your screen anywhere and then click on view page source, and you get to view the page source. Usually, if this starts HTML comment, if it starts with this sign right here, it ends with this. Anything in between or anything in the middle is a comment that's been left with by the developer or programmer. So this right here is telling us there that this is a temporary page, and the new home page will be hosted here / new home beta. And then you can actually see here another comment, and it shows us the framework and what version it is. And you can always go find the framework and find any vulnerabilities based on that framework too. And that kind of gives us like you see here, it's giving us the assets folder. There's like some files in the asset folder. There is some websites that, I mean, some subfolders we have not discovered on the regular site that we can actually find here. For instance, right here, this secret page kind of probably is going to lead us to somewhere we're not supposed to, go. So it's a good idea to just hover around and just go over the page source. Let's go back to our Tryhackme. So the first question is, what is the flag from the HTML comment? You don't need to see the hint, but make sure you go to the link mentioned in the comment. Okay, let's go ahead and start that. So from the comment, it's telling us to go to / new home beta. Go ahead and copy that and paste it here. Forgot the / that really matters. And boom, the first flag is the HTML comments are dangerous. Of course, they are. If you leave them, let's go ahead and paste that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going back and forth between my host and my Kali machine. That's why it's kind of hard to. My Alt and Tab is not working. I have no idea why. And then let's go ahead and see what is behind this secret folder. Secret folder is obviously here in this secret page. So let's go ahead and copy that right here and see what is going on behind that secret page. And boom, THM not a secret anymore. And it is kind of easy now. We get a hang of it. And then what is the directory listing flag? The directory listing flag should be in the somewhere here. Directory. We already seen there was a directory or folder file here. The assets. For the assets, we're not sure where exactly if they have a flag there. So we're just gonna go ahead and explore if there's anything in our assets. And just like that, we have so many files here. We have no idea what exactly everything is. Most likely the file we're looking for is this right here, flag.txt. Make sure you just go around and see, go through it just in case, but just to save time, I'm pretty sure we're looking for this one. So let's go ahead and copy that flag. My Alt tab is not working. It's kind of annoying me. And then what is the framework flag? The framework flag is, what is it? It will be whatever the app, the website / file.zip and find the file on the framework changelog page. Okay. I don't think that would be cheating, as they already gave us. They gave us some kind of suggestions or hints. So let's go ahead and follow this actually. Let's go ahead and the new tab, open that up. Let's go home. Oh, it says changelog and on the hint from Tryhackme. So let's find that. We don't really see anything. We have had issues where our backup process was creating a file in the web directory called /tmb. That's zip, right? This is the zip file that they were talking about on the hint. So I'm pretty sure it will be this right here. So let's just go ahead and paste that here and see how for our luck. Yeah, exactly. So this right here definitely executed or downloaded a zip file. Let's see what exactly that is. And in that zip file, it's a flag.txt. And we have our flag here using that given hint. So let's go ahead and paste that here. That's definitely the answer. And boom, we got our answer. Let's go back to our developer tools. To get to the developer tools, it's different from. Actually, it's not that different from like web browsers to web browsers. So Firefox, the first one, you just go all the way to the right top and find the those bar right here, and then you go to web developer and then web developer tools, and that will get you to what to open up the developer tool. And the other thing is, you can control shift and I, and that would definitely take you there. For Chrome, it's the same thing. You go all the way here, click on that, and then go to your tools, more tools, and then go to developer tools. So control shift I, the same thing. Safari, I don't know who uses Safari. Edge on Internet Explorer, just make sure you go through that. F12 for that too, but I don't know who uses that nowadays. I haven't seen anyone use that. So definitely go through this reading. But the question right here is, it's just we trying to get what exactly it is behind this wall right here. Says this article is for our premium customers only, and we are not trying to, um, you know, uh, sign up for premium customer. We just want to see what is behind this wall right here. So to get that, you just gotta right click on the blocking wall, and then go through examine go through that and see if you can change this display block to none, and then that will uh, make the box disappear, hopefully. So let's go ahead and try it out for ourselves. That right there was on the news, and right here on tips on the third link, it's not opening. So we just right click um, on the wall, on the block wall, and then inspect it. And once you start inspecting it in our inspector, you see where it says premium customer block. And as soon as you click on that, this part right here is highlighted. And when you on the right side, it gives you the value, the display. It has been blocked, so we will change that to none. And as soon as you change it to none, that display block is gone, and now you can see what they have behind that blocking wall. And we have THM not so hidden. So let's go ahead and answer that question. Tryhackme not so hidden. And then next one is developer tools, or I think it's called debuggers in our right here in our Firefox. And then I think in Chrome it's called sources. So it's kind of basically the idea is the same, but sources it kind of gives you. I will let you guys read through this. I'm not gonna go through this because I have limited time here. But the next question is we just trying to get what it is behind. Whenever you click on that website, there was a red flashing light. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So when you click on your contacts, there is you see that red flashing light that comes on. Look, you see that red flashlight that comes on. Let me try it again. Come on, one more time. Let me refresh actually. Yeah, that red flashlight that came up. We don't know what exactly that is, right? And then if you want to see what exactly that is, you just go to the debugger and see what that is. So if you go to your click on your assets, that is the asset folder that we accessed earlier. So there's like a couple of files here, JavaScript files. We probably interested in the Flash mini JavaScript right here since there's a red flashing light. So we click on curly brackets here to make it easily readable. And when you click on that, you see where if I go back to my Tryhackme, it's telling us to put to click on this, and that will create a breakpoint. So that means whenever you click on that, the page will load. This will be the breakpoint, and the page will load. Just whenever you refresh it, the page will load, and it will stop right here. It will load up to 47, line 47. It will stop right here, and that would just help us actually pause on that red flashlight, and then we will be able to see it. Let's go ahead and try that out for ourselves. Let's go ahead and click on that. This will be our breakpoint. We just got to click on that. By just clicking, we already made a breakpoint here. So let's go ahead and refresh that. And as soon as you refresh that, boom, it says paused on the breakpoint. And our breakpoint was that line that we clicked on. If we had clicked right here, it would have stopped or paused right here. So it's kind of blurry, but I can definitely see what is behind that. Um, the little red flash thing, red flash light that used to come on. It is Tryhackme, catch me if you can. Let's go ahead and answer that question. Tryhackme, catch me if you can. And the last one here, developer tools network. For the network, you get to access and see it keeps you, so it can be used to track any external request a website a web page makes. And then so for instance, if you go to your contact, and if I request, or if I put any kind of input, user input, and if I request a web request, we should be able to see it in our network once you open our developer tool. And we can always like play around with that and see if there is any data that is coming back. So for that, what is the question? Examine the new entry on the network tab. The contact form created and view the page the data was sent to in order to reveal a flag. So let's go ahead and go back to our. I don't need this breakpoint anymore, so you just click on it again. Once it's gone, you can refresh. We are interested in the contact page, right? So let's go ahead and go to network. We are in the network, and we don't have anything interesting here in our file. So let's just go ahead and try our Johnny. Try at tryhackme.com. And our message is what's up. Let's send the message. As soon as we send the message, boom, contact form sent. That look like those cross-site scripting demonstration that I used to do last time. Okay, so the contact message just came on, and we'll see what exactly that is. So it looks like this should reveal the last flag that we're looking for. And I'm pretty sure this is the flag right here. We already have a flag in our response header. And I'm pretty sure this is the answer. So let's go ahead and click on that. Tryhackme header flag. I'm pretty sure that is the answer. And just like that, we are done. Huh? Your answer is incorrect. Why? What is the flag shown on the contact message network request? Let's go to hint. When you find the contact message request, make sure you click on it to reveal the response of the request. There might be a response tab shown when you click it. That's kind of what I did. Headers and the response headers. Requests. The request was Johnny, Tryhackme, what's up? Response header. Oh, okay. My bad, guys. I have made a mistake. The flag should be here in our response. Okay, that's an easy fix. It's not a problem. Let's go ahead and paste that. Try hack me. Should be an answer. Boom, just like that, we are done. I'll be going over the other rooms. But if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know. I'll be going. I'm studying for OSCP, and I'm doing some the PG, the playground from the OSCP course. Not even from their website. So I'll be posting those videos too. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit like and follow button later.